wander far, I've seen the night, chasing shadows lose their light. But something deep within my soul kept calling me to come back home. The road was wide, the road was cold, still your mercy held my soul. Every step I tried to take alone only led me back to you. I'm returning home, I'm returning home, back to the home where I belong. No more running, no more pain, I'm returning home again. I'm returning home, I'm returning home, to the Father's love so strong, where every broken heart is made whole. I'm returning home. You never left, you never changed, even when I walked away. Your love was waiting at the door, with grace I've never known before. Now I see what